Hello everybody, welcome back to Growth Gurus, where learning never stops. In today's video, we'll explore this intriguing and timely topic, the future of work, navigating the changing landscape. So, let's dive right in. In this video, we will cover 4 segments. Namely, number 1, the current work landscape, number 2, the key trends reshaping work, number 3, implications and strategies, number 4, conclusion. Let's begin with segment 1, the current work landscape. The work landscape, as we know it, has undergone a massive transformation in recent years. With the advent of technology and the rise of the gig economy, the traditional 9-to-5 job is no longer the only option for those seeking employment. Gig economy can be understood as more temporary jobs and freelance work rather than permanent traditional jobs. In fact, the boundaries between work and personal life are becoming increasingly blurred, with many people finding themselves constantly connected to their jobs through smartphones and laptops. This new reality has both its advantages and disadvantages. On one hand, the flexibility afforded by freelance work or remote employment can be incredibly liberating, allowing individuals to work on their terms and around their personal commitments. On the other hand, the lack of job security and benefits that come with traditional employment can be daunting, leaving many feeling uncertain about their financial future. Despite these challenges, the current work landscape is also brimming with opportunities for those willing to adapt. The rise of the gig economy, for example, has opened up a whole new world of possibilities for people with specialized skills or talents. Additionally, technological advancements are driving innovation and creating new job sectors that were once unimaginable. Overall, the current work landscape is dynamic, exciting, and constantly evolving. While it may present some challenges, it also offers endless potential for those willing to embrace change and stay ahead of the curve. Segment 2, Key Trends Reshaping Work. In today's ever-changing world, work is no longer just a 9-to-5 job. With the advent of technology and the rise of globalization, the way we work has undergone a drastic transformation. This has led to the emergence of several key trends that are reshaping the landscape of work as we know it. One such trend is the growing importance of flexibility. As work becomes more mobile and remote, employees are demanding greater flexibility in terms of when and where they work. This has led to the rise of flexible work arrangements such as telecommuting, freelancing, and part-time work. Employers who are able to offer these arrangements are finding it easier to attract and retain top talent. Another trend that is reshaping work is the rise of the gig economy. This refers to the growing number of people who are choosing to work as independent contractors, rather than as traditional employees. This trend has been driven in part by the increasing availability of online platforms that connect workers with short-term, project-based work. While the gig economy can offer greater flexibility and autonomy, it also comes with its own set of challenges, such as a lack of benefits and job security. A third trend that is reshaping work is the growing importance of skills over degrees. In the past, a college degree was seen as a ticket to a good job. However, as the economy becomes more focused on technology and innovation, many employers are placing greater emphasis on skills and experience. This has led to the rise of alternative education models, such as coding boot camps and online courses, that are designed to help workers acquire the skills they need to succeed in today's job market. Overall, these key trends are reshaping the way we think about work and the role it plays in our lives. While they offer new opportunities and challenges, they also require us to be more adaptable and flexible in our approach to work. As the world continues to change, it will be interesting to see how these trends continue to shape the future of work. Moving with our third segment, implications and strategies. In this section, we dive deeper into the potential consequences of our actions and the various approaches we can take to achieve our goals. It's essential to understand that every decision we make has consequences, both positive and negative. Therefore, we must carefully consider the implications of our choices, both in the short and long term. We can understand implications by question, what do these trends mean for individuals and businesses? Well, for individuals this trends requires need to focus on upskilling and adaptability with the changing job landscape. Continuous learning and developing a growth mindset are crucial for thriving in this ever-changing landscape. While on the organizational front, companies must prioritize creating agile and inclusive work environments that foster innovation and collaboration. Embracing emerging technologies can also help businesses stay competitive. Moving on to last segment 4, conclusion of video. As we wrap up this exploration of the future of work, remember that it's an opportunity for growth and innovation. Stay proactive, keep learning, and be prepared to adapt to the changing landscape. We hope this video has provided valuable insights. If you found this video informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to Growth Gurus channel for more thought-provoking content. Let us know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Remember, the future of work is in our hands. Until next time, keep growing and keep learning. Thanks for watching.